11 miles southeast of Carrollton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard. Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Greene and Washington, and the following counties in West Virginia, Marshall and Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Jefferson County and east central Ohio, northeastern Belmont County and east central Ohio, southwestern Washington County and southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Greene County and southwestern Pennsylvania, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia until 6 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Martin's Ferry, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind to 60 miles per hour and quarter-inch hail. Source, radar. Impact, vehicles to possible. Expected damage to trees and power lines. This include Wheeling, Martin's Ferry, Bel Air, Warwood, Bethlehem, Philadelphia, Clearview, Valley Grove, McMicken, Chiltonsville, Cameron, Bridgeport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 221 and 225. Interstate 70 in West Virginia between mile marker 0 and 14. Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 0. This storm has produced a tornado. Move indoors and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at